Wood turning is a craft that demands precision, control, and the right tools. Whether you're shaping bowls, pens, spindles, or artistic pieces, a good wood lathe is the foundation of any serious workshop. In this video, we're reviewing 5 of the best wood lathes available on Amazon, each tailored to different skill levels and project sizes, so you can find the right machine for your needs. Starting off strong is the WEN LA34245 5-speed benchtop wood lathe, a highly regarded Midi lathe for those who want versatility and durability in one package. With a 4.5 amp motor, this lathe delivers plenty of torque for medium-sized projects. It supports a 12-inch swing over bed and 18 inches between centers, making it ideal for turning table legs, chair spindles, bowls, and more. It features 5 preset speeds ranging from 520 to 3400 RPM, allowing you to adjust based on the wood type and turning requirements. The cast iron construction adds weight and stability, reducing vibration during operation. Users consistently praise its smooth operation, value for money, and ease of belt adjustment. For woodworkers looking for a dependable and capable lathe at a mid-range price point, this one is a top pick. If you're just getting started or working with smaller projects like pens, bottle stoppers, or chess pieces, the WEN LA3421 variable speed mini wood lathe is a compact and beginner-friendly choice. Despite its smaller size, it features a variable speed range from 750 to 3200 RPM, controlled by a knob that allows for real-time adjustment. It also includes a soft start motor and MT1 spindle and tailstock tapers. Weighing just under 45 pounds, it's portable yet stable enough for hobby work. Customers love how intuitive it is to set up and use, especially for those learning the fundamentals of turning. It also comes with accessories like a faceplate and tool rest, giving new users a solid starting kit without needing to invest in extra parts. For those looking for more capacity on a budget, the VEVOR 10 X18 benchtop wood lathe delivers respectable specs at a lower price point. This lathe offers 5 adjustable speeds, typically ranging from 760 to 3200 RPM, and a 0.5 HP motor that provides enough power for medium-duty tasks. It supports a 10-inch swing and 18 inches between centers, making it suitable for small bowls, spindles, and decor pieces. While the build may not be as refined as premium brands, it's widely recognized for its affordability and decent performance. Users have mixed experiences. Some appreciate its price and capacity, while others mention minor quality control issues such as wobbly tool rests or loose switches. Still, it's a solid mid-size machine for hobbyists or occasional use. Next, we have the CXRCY variable speed wood lathe, which offers similar specs to the WEN LA3424, but with variable speed control instead of fixed steps. This allows smoother transitions and better control, especially when turning softer or more delicate materials. The lathe includes MT2 tapers for better accessory compatibility, and a powerful motor that handles mid-range projects well. Users appreciate the performance for the price, with many saying it feels like a professional-grade tool at a hobbyist budget. While not as widely known as WEN, this brand has quietly gained a reputation for providing solid value and good after-sales support. Lastly, for those who want professional control and torque at low speeds, the Wahuda 14-110 Midi variable speed wood lathe is an excellent choice. This machine stands out due to its inverter-controlled AC motor, which delivers consistent torque even at ultra-low speeds, as low as 30 RPM. It supports a 14-inch swing and features 3 speed ranges, allowing turners to fine-tune their work regardless of wood hardness or complexity. Its robust 1 HP motor is ideal for bowl turning, hollow forms, and larger decorative work. It also supports standard 1-inch tool rests and comes with premium features typically seen in more expensive lathes. Advanced turners and serious hobbyists will appreciate the smooth performance, quiet operation, and low-speed control that this Wahuda lathe delivers. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, be sure to subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews and woodworking insights.